Esther, Miss Evaluations Chair and fellow Toastmasters, and especially Ricky. We thought you did an excellent job on your CC1 speech. It had a confident beginning. You didn't falter when there was a bit of a heckle from the side there from Max Khan. And it was actually interesting to have some Swahili thrown in there, and we enjoyed the thrills and spills, chills and pulls. Well done on not using your notes too much, and you had nice eye contact. And you took the distractions in your stride as the waiters came up and walked around. Room for improvement, we thought that maybe standing behind the lectern is a bit of a crutch. You tend to drum on the side of it, so it gets a bit fidgety. But other than that, there was, a good strong stance, and you were very confident. So your strengths in closing are a good clear voice with a good projection, your confidence, and you're an engaging speaker. And areas to improve on are be careful of using the lectern as a crutch and being fidgety by drumming against the sides of it. And in closing, I'd like to say it was a good speech introducing yourself to the club, and it had good structure, and we look forward to the journey with you as you achieve the goals you set out for yourself.